Livestock prices fared much better in 2021 than the COVID-depressed markets of 2020. Michelle Rook got some insight about what's ahead for the new year.
Joining us with our livestock market outlook is Scott Varlick. And Scott, let's talk about cattle first. Cash strong through the end of the year till about the last 2 weeks, and cash kind of led the futures. Do you anticipate cash will take off and do that when we start a new year?
We need some more cash news to feed this fire, basically, because we've climbed up to, some 140 levels. Very nice prices, appealing to a producer, prices that we haven't seen in several years. So we need some more of that cash news to kind of keep it going. We've got to keep feeding the bull. Otherwise, it's going to kind of start to run out of gas, get a little bit weary as producers see cash remaining steady and see some of these higher premiums in the futures months. They're going to start to be interested in looking at selling some of those contracts, and you could see a little bit of hedge pressure there. The longer we stay sideways and don't get fed, the more risk it is, I think, for this market to take a little bit of a correction here.
What about supply? When will the numbers tighten here due to the drought? When will we see that marketing hole?
I think after we get through the next few months, get through this first quarter, I do think those tighter numbers are going to start to show up. We don't have as many cattle ready in the summer and into that fall time frame as we used to.
So what are your price projections for cattle in the first quarter?
First quarter, we've been fairly steady in the upper 130s. Usually January to me is always a little bit sluggish. We see the futures prices and we want those higher prices, but it always seems to take just a little longer to get there than what it probably could. So I look for it to stay a little bit sluggish, sideways kind of trade here over the next January and into February.
So Scott, let's talk about the hog market. First of all, on the supply side, the Hogs and Pigs report at the end of the month pretty much verified these tight supplies.
Yes, Hogs and Pigs report showed what we're hearing from the country, that numbers are a little bit tighter. We're running into disease controls, and the price on these feeder pigs is starting to increase, and swiftly. So hearing that a lot more from the country, that it's tougher to find the supply.
And what are you thinking about demand for pork, especially exports?
We're pretty reliant on how that goes with China. I do think our domestic demand is going to stay pretty rock solid.
So what are your price projections for hogs in the first quarter?
I think there's some upside potential. I just don't think it's massive by any means. I think there's still that looming factor that African swine fever is still something that's out there. So trying to get some sort of floor as cheap as I can and leaving my upside open.
Thanks so much, Scott. That's Scott Varlick with Quima Varlick. Thanks for watching Ag Week on YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. We post new videos every Saturday.